Good morning and assalamu alaikum. How are you, class? I hope you all are fine. Today is 4th November 2024 and today is Monday. And as you all know that due to the weather conditions, you are at home and we are giving you the video lessons. I hope you will listen it carefully and you will do at the end you will do your written work or the homework that I will give it to you. Okay, can anybody tell me what we have done in the last lesson? Okay, good. We have discussed about the food we eat. Good. Ji Abdul Hadi, can you please tell me which type of the food or we have to eat in a week? Okay, good, excellent. That we have to eat the variety of the food. And if we talk about the variety of the food, we have to take the variety of the food in a whole week. So it means that it is we can say it is a balanced diet or not? Yes, it is a balanced diet. Good. The balanced diet. Okay, now Ashman will tell me what are the different types of the nutrients that are present in a balanced diet. Okay, good. Only the one. Carbohydrate, good. Chavez, the next one. Fats, good. Ji Subhan, proteins and vitamins. And the last one is the minerals. Good. It means that in a balanced diet, there are the different type of the nutrients that must be present. Number one is carbohydrates. Okay. The second one is fats. The third one is proteins. The fourth one is vitamins, and the last one is the minerals. Okay, as you know, if you will remember it, that I also have given you a homework that you have to make the pie chart, and you have to make a pie chart, and in the pie chart you have to make the different food items that are present in these nutrients. Have you done your homework or not? Okay, good. It means that you have done your homework. That there are the different types of the. Who will tell me which type of the food items that are present in the carbs? Carbohydrates. Okay, good. In the carbohydrates, there are rice that we eat, having the carbohydrates. Potatoes having the carbohydrate. Then the bread having the carbohydrate, wheat having it is a rich amount of the carbs in it. And then if we talk about the fats, is the fat important for our health or not? Oh good, it is very very important for our health. The fats are present in cheese having the fat, butter. A small amount of the fat is also present in the milk. Okay. Okay. If we talk about the proteins is the nutrient that is mostly present in the meats. All the type of the meat that we eat in our daily routine. For example, if we eat mutton, beef, chicken, fish, that all having proteins in it. The variety of the meat that is fish, chicken, beef, mutton, all having proteins in it. And if you haven't taken the meat, if we take the pulses, it also having protein in it. A small amount of the protein is also present in the egg, in milk, also having protein in it, but not in a large amount. To take a large amount of the protein, we have to add or eat the meat and the pulses, and we have to add these type of the food items in our daily meal, in our weekly meal or the daily meal. Okay. Now, if we talk about the minerals and the vitamins, which food item having the minerals and the vitamins? Jean, Rama, can you tell me? Okay, good. All the fruits and the vegetables, all the types of the fruits and vegetables having minerals and vitamins. Good. It means that it is clear to you what is the balanced diet. Okay, now can anybody tell me, Ramin, can you please tell me what is the function of taking the balanced diet? What is the purpose of taking the balanced diet or the food? Okay, good. It can give us energy. Any other function? It helps us to grow. It helps us to do different daily activities. Good. This is the previous lesson that we have done. Previous topic that we have done. Now before starting the new topic, I will ask some questions from you that are, can anybody tell the internal organs of the body? Good. Internal, there are the different organs that are present inside our body, and some organs are present outside our body. Thus, they are called external organs and some are called internal organs. Okay? Good. The internal, if we talk about the internal organs, internal organs are brain, good. G, Ayan, yes. Lungs, good. And good, Abdullah, that is the heart. We also having the kidney. Okay, good. Now you will tell me which type of the internal organ is responsible for pumping of the blood, the movement of the blood. Which organ has to pump the blood? G, Mohib. Okay, excellent. That is the heart. Heart will help to pump the blood in all part of the body from head to the toe. Good. So it means that the next topic, our next topic is the heart. If we talk about the heart is a muscular organ. It is a muscular organ that is having the muscles, and it also having the fat content in it. And sometimes if we talk about it is the outer morphology of the heart. You can see the model of the heart. This is the model of the heart, and if we talk about the model of the heart, there are the different veins and the arteries that are connected to the heart, and it is look like this. And if we see it carefully, and if we will open it, there are the different sides of the heart. Before discussing the internal structure, we will discuss its size, its location, its way first. Then we will move to the internal structure of the heart. If we talk about the heart is the muscular organ. Okay, that is the muscular organs that having the muscles and the fats that cover it and that can protect it, and then it having, if we talk about its location, where the heart is present. If we talk about the location of the heart is present in the middle of the chest. Chest के middle में present होता है, and it a little bit on the left side instead of the right side. That's why our left lung is a little bit smaller in size as compared to the right lungs because of the presence of the heart, because it is mostly on the left side. So we can say that the heart is present in the middle of chest cavity. Okay, if we talk about the weight of the heart is almost 280 gram. 280 gram, it is almost the 280 gram of the weight of the heart, which is probably the size of our fist. It is look like the just like our fist. It is the weight of the heart is 280 gram. If we talk about the size, it having the size of fist. Okay. Now if we talk about the function, if we talk about the function of the heart, but in the function of the heart, you have already told me that the function of the heart is to pump the blood. Okay. It allows the blood to move to all parts of the body. Okay. So the function, if we talk about the function of the heart, it helps to pump the blood. Good. And if heart is if we talk about the heart now, heart is a delicate organ, and there are some organs in our body which are very delicate, and Allah Ta'ala has protect our organs with the help of the bones, with the part of the bones, so that it can protect it properly and it cannot be damaged. So if we talk about the protection, heart can protected by with the help of the rib cage. Rib cage, it can be protected with the help of rib cage. Rib cage मतलब हमारी पसलियाँ होती हैं. This rib cage it will protect our heart as well as our lungs. Both of the organs are protected with the help of the rib cage. Okay, can anybody tell another is a very delicate organ which can be protected with another bone? Which is that organ? Kidney? No, that is not the kidney. Kidney is not protected by the bone. Good, excellent, Abdullah. That is the brain. Brain is protected by our skull. Okay, skull can protect our brain. In the same way, the rib cage protect our heart and the lungs. Okay, this is the main points of the heart that is very important. Now, if we discuss about the internal structure, if we discuss about the internal structure of the heart now, so if you see clearly, there are the 4 chambers of the heart. There are the 4 main chambers of the heart. But now we will not discuss the main chambers of the heart, but today we will discuss about only 2 sides of the heart. First you will understand about the 2 sides of the heart carefully, then you will understand the main 4 chambers. Okay. This is our right hand, so this is the right side of the heart, this one is the right side of the heart, and this one is the left side of the heart. If you will see clearly, the left side of the heart is very a larger or a bigger in size as compared to the right side. Sahi? So this right side having the impure blood, and the left side of the heart having the pure blood. This is very important point. If we divide a heart into 2 sides, divide it into 2 sides. So this is our right side and this is our left side. the right side of the heart having the impure blood and the left side having the pure blood. Okay, the right side of the heart having the impure blood, and the impure blood is also called as deoxygenated blood. It is also called deoxygenated blood. It means that the blood having the not the oxygen in it, it having the carbon dioxide in it. We can also say it as the oxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood means it having carbon dioxide in it. Okay, and if we talk about the pure blood now, the pure blood are also called oxygenated blood, that having oxygen in it. Okay, good. So you can understand from the internal structure of the heart. If we see the internal structure of the heart means this is the right side of the heart, and the right side having the deoxygenated blood, and the left side having the oxygenated blood. Okay, and this deoxygenated blood can move with the help of this vein to the lungs, and where it can go and it can release its carbon dioxide there, and it can gain the oxygen, and it can come back to the left side, and it can then from the left side it can move to all parts of the body. And this internal structure we will discuss in detail in our next lesson. Now in this lesson you will only and only you have to be clear that there are the two main parts, the left and the right side of the heart, and then that having oxygenated and the deoxygenated blood. Okay, then this is the internal and the external structure of the heart, and I hope so that you have understand clearly about it. And if you having any questions or the queries about it, you can give any comments on it, and you can also discuss in when you will come in the class. We will discuss it again. Okay, the main we having the wrap up of the topics that we have discussed today. Today's topic. The today's topic is about the heart, that is the internal organ, that is a muscular organ that also having a small amount of the fats attached to it. And then if we talk about the location of the heart, the location is in the middle of the chest cavity, and it is much closer to the left hand side and as compared to right side. And then if we talk about the weight of the heart, it is almost 280 gram, and it is almost the size of our fist. And then the main function of the heart is to pump the blood. Okay, and then if we talk about the protection, which part of the bone can protect the heart? The heart is protected by the rib cage. Okay, then we have discussed about the impure blood, internal structure of the heart. In the internal structure of the heart, there are the two sides of the heart, left and the right side. The right side having the impure blood, we also say deoxygenated blood, and it means that it having the carbon dioxide in it. And if we talk about the left side having the pure blood, and the pure blood having oxygenated blood, it means it having the oxygen. Okay. Then this impure blood will move to the lungs and take the oxygen and come back to the left side, and then it will move to all parts of the body. This is the whole topic, today's topic. Now I will give some questions to you that you will do it at home about this topic. I will take question is, I think we have done We have done 3 questions already of this chapter. Then now it will be the question number 4, and the question number 4 is which bone protect heart and lungs. Question number 5 is write average weight of heart. Okay, now the question number 6 is write a note on heart. Okay, there are 3 questions for you, and then 2 questions are very easy. And question number 4 is which bone protect the heart. Spelling of the heart is which bone protect heart and lungs. Okay, you already know that which bones can protect the heart and the lungs. You can take the help from the video, and which write the average weight of the heart. Then the question number 6 is you have to write in detail, write a note on heart, and for the heart in the note of the heart you have to write down the incomplete, that the heart is a muscular organ, and there are the 2 sides, what is the function of the right side, and what is the left side, which type of the blood having on the right and the left side of the heart, and how the heart get the oxygenated blood. These all points you have to write down in a note. Okay, these are the 3 questions. You can take help from the book, you can take help from the video, and you can also search it from the net as according to your choice. Okay, I hope so the lecture is very clear to you, and finally, best of luck and Allah Hafiz from my side.